G'day there, welcome along to the Alternative Commentary Collective's Auto Trader Masterclasses on how best to flick your car.
Step 6, dealing with potential buyers and tyre kickers. Often the most punishing part of selling a motor is the tyre kicker. This is the kind of guy who asks questions that are clearly answered in the listing. They repeat themselves, ignore the answers, and then ask you something stupid like,
would you take $50 cash?
no. Unfortunately, you've just got to breathe through it like a snapped Achilles. That's why they call them tyre kickers, because it's un-PC to call them c***s. You need to trust your gut when it comes to buyers that you think are genuine and those that are going to waste your time. They lead with a lowball cash offer first up. Chances are they're just trying their luck. Kick them to the curb. Concentrate on the genuine offers. Also, keep vigilant for scammers. Always check that the money's gone into your account and don't accept a screenshot. That is a dirty trick. Also, if the buyer asks you to hold the car for them, it's not unreasonable to ask for a deposit. So there you have it, the 6 simple steps to selling your car on Auto Trader.
Somebody tell New Zealand about your car!
Tell New Zealand about your car and you can win a billboard to help sell it, just like this here. You'll be 100% cooler. Check it out.